Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is IslamTalk and I'm Farina Siddique. I'm sick and tired of the double standards of the world. The world leaders, Muslim or non-Muslim, Canadian leaders, and everybody is rallied behind an oppressor right now. The state of Israel is the oppressor, right? When Russia and Ukraine war broke, everybody was rallying behind the Ukraine, which was attacked. And their land was, captured by Russia, and they were attacking their land. So their soldiers, their defenders were called freedom fighters. They became hero. And we gave them a standing ovation in Canadian Parliament. And we were on the side of the right people who were being attacked, who were being suppressed, who were being killed. And we gave so much support, monetarily, emotionally, media-wise, everything as a nation. But when it comes to Israel and Palestine, for the past 75 years, we're only siding with Israel. Even though when there is oppressors, they're actually taking away all the human rights from Palestinian people. They're taking away all, land ownership from Palestinian people. They're pushing them beside the wall and they're trying to crush them. And we say, you know what? We unequivocally support Israel. This is hypocrisy. This is wrong. This is unfair. And as Muslim Canadians, we need to speak. We need to speak up, follow the hadith that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ quoted to guide us, to actually understand, help us understand that there are 3 levels of iman. If you see something wrong happening, something evil happening, injustice happening against anybody, right? He didn't say Muslims. He said anybody. Stop it with your hand, right? So use your pen for writing. Stop the politicians to come to your masajid if they're not speaking for Palestine. Use your tongue as a second level. He said, if you don't have the courage to use your hand, use your tongue. So speak up. Go on social media. Go to public places, right? March with other protesters. People are losing their families. Canadian, Palestinian people living here are losing their families in Gaza, everywhere, in Palestine, every day. Imagine the pain. And the third thing, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, if you don't have the courage to even use your tongue, think about it as a bad thing in your heart. And after that, he said, there is no iman left. So you remember and understand and assess yourself, what kind of level of iman do you have? Speak up, everybody. And you don't have to be a Muslim to speak for Palestine. But if you are a Muslim, it's an obligation. Remember one thing, the protection of Allah's house, or the Qibla Awwal especially, is the Fard Kifaya, right? And those people in Palestine are actually doing this for years, for decades, on behalf of you and I, on behalf of all of us, right? They're protecting the Aqsa as defenders, as supporters, and they're getting killed for that. Their generations are being wiped off just to do this Fard Kifaya. And you will be questioned on Judgment Day about that. So today is the time to actually speak up, raise awareness, educate people. It's not a two-state solution. It's not a conflict between Israel and Hamas. No, it's not. It's about Israel and Palestine. Israel is a state of oppressor, right? And Palestine is at the genocidal state. We need to speak up and make it very clear, online, offline, everywhere. But do not spread hate against any community, Muslim or not. Do not cause hate. Do not cause discrimination just because of this conflict, okay? Speak the right thing with hikmah, with eloquence that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala requires us to spread as a Muslim. This is also an obligation. Today is the best time to be an unapologetic, 100% vocal Muslim. Be vocal and be firm so people, and especially politicians, respect us, inshallah. If you like this message, please spread it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.